High impact, multi-use, and undeniably versatile, the Seekone 1800 watts heat gun is designed to take on a whole host of DIY tasks. Ideal for varnish and paint removable, decorating, home improvement, upcycling, thawing frozen pipes, loosening rusted bolts, bending plastics, and much more. Seekone heat gun is ergonomically designed with a multi-grip handle and optimal weight distribution, minimizing user fatigue over long periods of use. It has two heat and airflow settings, 840°F and 1200°F, for more control depending on the application. Its built-in overheating protection design makes your heat gun safer and more reliable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Strong power with 2 modes. Seekone 1800 watts heat gun provides strong power, quickly heat up to 1202°F, 650°C, in seconds. 2 modes. First is 50 to 450°C, 190 to 210 L per minute. Second is 50 to 650°C, 250 to 500 L per minute. Number 2. Variable temp control and overload protection. Unlike other dual temperature heat guns, our heat guns provide variable temperature control. The black dial provides rheostat-type heating, the high-low switch on its handle provides airflow control. Temperature range from 120°F to 1200°F. Our heat gun also possesses overload protector to avoid damaging your heat gun and circuit. Number 3. Scientific ergonomic design and wide applications. Seekone heat gun has a scientific ergonomic design handle that can prevent repetitive strain injuries and other musculoskeletal disorders. Ideal use for shrinking heat shrink tube, shrinking wrap, heating PVC, electronics, cell phone repairs, vinyl wrap, removing paint or floor tiles, loosening rusted bolts, and other heating or thawing purpose. Number 4. 4 Nozzles Accessories. Deflector nozzle directs a long, narrow heat pattern to the work surface. 2 concentrator nozzles direct a concentrated heat flow to the work surface. Reflector nozzle disperses heat to flow evenly around the whole work surface. Number 5. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Full refund or return guarantee with lifetime free warranty. Number 6. Removing rusted bolts. Heat the nut with a heat gun if it won't come off. This causes the steel to expand, which can break the rust seal. Apply heat for about a minute, then allow the nut to cool. Number 7. Shrinking PVC. Our heat guns are simple to use and have the power to efficiently shrink wrap products at the speed you need. With excellent air velocity settings, it quickly shrinks PVC in just a few seconds. Number 8. Bending pipes. Using the heat gun you can bend a piece of PVC pipe at just about any angle without using any adhesives or elbow joints. Not only convenient but also dramatically speeds up the job. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.